The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado. Hey, get your finger out of your ass. Pay attention as fuck. Don't you know how fucking dangerous this shit is? This isn't a bullshit severe thunderstorm warning. This is a tornado warning. I can see don't give a flying fuck, so I'll keep going. Until 11:15 p.m. You know what? I hope you know how fucking dangerous this storm is. This is a motherfucking particularly dangerous situation. This is a radar-indicated threat. You are in a motherfucking life-threatening situation. And guess what else? This big fucker has produced a large motherfucking killer tornado. Your car is going to look like Braun Strowman just punched the living shit out of it. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Take cover now. Are you kidding me? You turned off the TV and went back to sleep? Now it's time to roast yo ass. I think you're sus. Yo mama is so fat that when we tried to read off her first and last name on an EAS alert, we got cut off by the 2-minute timer. You smell like dog poop. I really can't fucking stand you anymore. You're extremely fucking retarded. I fucked yo mama to death. You are like the Atlanta Falcons of EAS recipients that got knocked out of the Super Bowl after they fell to the Buccaneers 27-44, so you are just as worse than the Falcons. You seem like an individual who was very disrespectful at weddings. It looks like the tornado killed you, but I will continue anyway. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Kiss my ass.